Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do printhead alignment on an Epson XP-322. Now this is nice and simple, done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see here. Now printhead alignment is a great way of resolving print quality issues like fuzzing around the edge of your prints or getting horizontal or vertical lines that you've been unable to resolve using the cleaning cycles and test pages your printer can also do. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer. If you're not already on a screen that looks like this, just press that button there. Now we're going to move ourselves along using the right hand arrow until we get to setup. Press OK to go into setup. Press right just once and then OK to go into maintenance. Now we're in maintenance, going to press right twice. You've got head alignment. Press OK. Now to do this process, you will need a couple of sheets of paper in the printer, so make sure that's in there. Press the start button to get going. Now this will take the machine just a minute. And eventually you'll end up with a page like this. Now this page is broken down into 4 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what we're going to be doing is looking for the best square in each of these 4 sections. You see they're broken down by colour as well, just in case you have any doubt. Now I'd say here, number 5 is the one that's looking the best. It's very close to 4, but there's a couple of little speckles and bits. But what you want to be avoiding is the ones with vertical lines in it like that. So we've got 4. Number 2, I'd say it's 6. And we have the rest there. So back at the screen, press OK to go in. And look for number 1. 4 is the default one selected, so we press OK. Number 2, we decided it was 6. Number 3, it's 4 again. For number 4, it's looking like number 6. So we enter it with a combination of the up and down arrows and OK till it's done. It's OK. Now that's just fine tuning of the printhead's position, just making sure you've selected those solid blocks or the most solid blocks you're able to. Hopefully bring everything back into line and improve the quality of your prints. Now you can run that process a couple times if everything's really out of whack on your printer, but hopefully that'll be enough to sort it out for you. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, let us know down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.